Well, thank you guys for tuning into the channel today, you guys. And today I have such a super duper good video for you guys, because you guys, I am going to teach you guys how to use your DMs to sell your digital products, okay? And Sam knows that a lot of you guys are just starting your journey. So right now, the social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok are not allowing you to put your link into the bio so that your customers can just go to your bio and purchase your product. Well, we're changing that today, you guys. So I am going to show you how to sell in your DMs. And this is one of the strategies that I used when I first got started, when I didn't have any followers, when I didn't have a way to put my link in the bio. You guys, let's get into it. And this is the strategy that I still use to this day. So I am going to teach you guys how to effectively sell in your DMs, sell your digital products in your DMs. So let's get right into the video, you guys. Let's go. So first of all, we are going to do my shout outs of the day, because y'all know I love my shout outs of the day, you guys. Y'all, I'm so happy. I'm so proud for each and every one of you guys who have took the leap of faith and who have started your digital product journey. Sam is here to help you along that way. And it's so many of you guys who have started to make the money that you want to, started your business, and your business is growing. To you guys, I am going to tell you, keep going, because I want you to be able to make 100,000, 200,000, 300,000, 400,000 just this year. And this is going to be your year. I proclaim it, okay? Because I am helping you do just that, all right? So you guys, those of you who haven't started, go ahead and get the course. What are you waiting for? I do not want you to be in the same place like you have last year, just consuming my videos and not living the life that you want, and basically not living the life that God has in store for you. And I am going to tell each and every one of you, you have to walk out on your faith. You have to literally trust and pray that your business grows, because that is how my business grew, you guys. I literally trusted in my God. I prayed to my God, and you guys, the business is flourishing, okay? So I am going to tell you guys, I am going to beg with you, I'm going to plead with you to do the same thing, so that you are able to change your life and you're able to do exactly what you want to do in life and come into the person that God wants you guys to be, okay? So you guys, let's get right into my shout outs of the day. Before I do that, you guys, I am going to tell you guys that the link to the course is going to be below. If you have the course, you are going to get your products. You're going to get 280 done for you digital products. You're also going to get your content. Literally, I built you guys a business in a box. It's a no think, no work kit, you guys. All you have to do is literally be able to put up your products into your Stan store within the next 10 minutes. And my course is going to teach you how to sell, okay? I am going to teach you how to turn your viewers on social media into buyers, okay? We are going to make at least, and I'm talking about at least $10,000 this month, you guys. And that's what I want you guys to do. So the link to the course is going to be below. It's going to come with your digital products, your 280 digital products. It's also going to come with 615 TikTok and Instagram reels, you guys, so that you're able to post immediately, okay? And I mean immediately. Plus, you guys, it is going to come with the DM scripts. I'm just adding it right now. And for you guys who have already got the course, they're going to be in your inbox within a couple minutes. So you guys, let's get to selling. I also want to announce, you guys, that on Wednesday, we are going to have the training, okay? Wednesday, we will have the training. And I'm doing this in opposed to next Friday because, one, I know you guys need it, okay? I know you guys need to get started. So Sam is proposing that it is on Wednesday. So this Wednesday, you guys, at 7 p.m., I am going to send you out the Zoom link. I'm going to send you out all of the information that you need in order for you to join the Zoom meeting. And this is only for if you have purchased the course. Your trainings are free. Sam is going to help you guys listen. I'm here. I am coaching, baby, because my job is to make sure that you leave your job. All right, you guys. So let's get into these shout outs of the day real quick. You guys, these are from the people who have made their money, who have taken the course and literally have made the money that they want to. They are my success stories. And let me tell you guys, I keep on telling y'all, I am so proud of you guys. Keep on going. Sam is here to support you guys. And you guys, your trainings are free. They're absolutely free as long as you're come to the program. So once you purchase the course, you have free trainings for life. You guys, I am teaching you how to do this, how super simple, super easy it is so that you can leave that 9 to 5. All right, you guys, we got Valerie, okay? Valerie, y'all, she resold her course, okay? She has been reselling her course on she has been reselling her course, you guys, on TikTok. She has been reselling them on Instagram. Ms. Valerie, I am so proud of you. Ms. Valerie, if you want to, go ahead and drop your social media tag so people can go to your post. It is strictly upon you. You guys, when you guys email me, please put in your tag if you want to, okay? So if you want your channel to be shout out, just give me your tag, okay? And then last but not least, you guys, we have Mr. Marcus. He started his paycheck budget tracker, and that paycheck budget tracker has bought him $3,200 within his very first week. And let me tell y'all, keep telling y'all, I'm so proud of you guys. I'm so excited. Keep on going. Sam is going to be your coach for life, okay? I am here to help you guys. And I keep telling y'all, my job is to make sure that you can leave your 9 to 5 as well. All right. That's what we do on this channel. Okay. I'm so excited. So you guys, let's get into the inspiration of the day. And after this, we're going right into our DM script video. Okay. So the inspiration of the day, I will lead and I will follow my God. I will walk in the faith that God gives me. And I keep on telling you guys, you have to walk into your faith. You have to stop being fearful of what you can be. We're so fearful of what can happen. But what I want you to do is not be fearful of the success that I know that you're going to have. You have to walk into that. And one thing that I know, you guys, that God is faithful. He's never going to leave us while we're on our journey. So you guys, what I want you guys to put into the comment section is, I will trust in my God. I will trust that He will build this business, that He will help me on my business because God is faithful. That's one thing that I know myself personally, and I'm so happy to be your coach. I am happy to be here with you guys, guiding and helping you with your business, okay? So let's get right into the video right now, you guys. Let's go. Well, all right, you guys. Now let's go to my personal TikTok, you guys. So you guys, I am able to put the link in my bio so that my customers can go ahead and purchase, but I'm going to show you how to make the sales in the DM, okay? Because if you don't have 1,000 followers, they're not going to allow you to put that link into your bio. So let's work around it so you guys can make sales even without having the 1,000 followers. Because if you are starting from zero, you guys, this is how you're going to make the sales without having to put the link in the bio, okay? So you guys, we are going to go to this video, okay? Now let's read the captions. It says, POV, you're a realtor who made $155,000 this month without leaving the house. I tell them to comment how, and I will show you, okay? So this is going to allow you to see who is interested in your program, okay? So once they comment, hey, tell me how, I tell them, check your DM. So how? Check your DM. And this is how you are going to sell into your DM, you guys, all right? So what you're going to do is you are going to use the scripts that I have provided for you guys. So I have provided for you 3 sales pitches, okay? And they are free with the purchase of the course, you guys. With the purchase of the course, I'm going to teach you guys in your DMs how to sell, okay? So that you guys can see, let's get into the analytics, you guys. So these are the analytics. These are basically, and this is in the back of your stand store. And that's why I tell you guys, I am a girl that is all about her numbers, okay? So I don't do social media for fun, and you are not going to do social media for fun either. You are going to do it in order for you guys to get paid. So you guys, let's go back into the analytics. This is in the Stan store. This is so where you can see where your products are actually taking off. Okay, so where your clients come from, where your customers come from is very important, okay? So a majority of my customers, they come from YouTube, they come from the link tree. So the link tree that's in the bio. But some of you guys are not able to put the link tree in that bio. So what are we going to do? Okay. So this is where they come out of my DMs, you guys. They come out of the DMs, you guys. So that is why I am telling you guys to go ahead, get the course and get those scripts. Those scripts are going to allow you to sell your products in literally just 3 text messages, you guys. I literally only text about 3 times per client, and my conversion rate is crazy. And that is because the sales pitch that I created for you guys that's in the course is absolutely insane, okay? That sales pitch has led me to make almost $155,000 this month, literally just using those pitches, being able to sell into the DMs. And I am going to tell you guys to do the same. When I tell you guys it is very easy for you guys to do, literally it is so easy, okay? So you guys go ahead and go pick up that course. That course is going to come with your 280 done for you digital products. It's going to come with your content. And just like I formatted my content, that is the same way that I want you guys to format your content, okay? Also, it's going to come with your sales scripts. I'm going to put your sales scripts in the back of your course, okay? So all you have to do is follow those sales scripts. And I'm talking about word for word so that you are able to go ahead and you're able to make the sales in your DMs. I'm making it as super simple and as super easy as possible. These are the products that I use, you guys, and that is the sales script that I use as well. So go ahead and go get the course. You can do a pay-in for you guys, but get started today. I want you guys to be able to make sales in your DMs. I mean, today, you guys. So you guys, like, share, and subscribe. I am going to be bringing you guys so much more content. I'm going to be bringing you guys so many more things, you guys. Go ahead, go get that course, go sell in the DMs, and do what you got to do. Because let me tell y'all something. I'm going to teach you how to make your money without having any followers, you guys. All you need is my course and the information that I put in there. And baby, we are ready to sell. We are ready to start our new lives. You guys, like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye now. Bye.